Yo, YouTube, man, it's your boy D4, man. With
Chill out. You know it's your girl D Hilarious, and I'm back with another banger.
Hilarious.
No, I need to make up another one.
Ain't no way, bro. This uncut.
That was my old shit. That was my old shit. I can't say that no more.
You trying to be like me, bro? Who
the fuck? When your name's not like that. Your shit say D a fool or some shit like that.
When your name ever been D Hilarious?
Nobody, nigga. When I was in 10th grade and I used to do fake YouTube, like, come on, be for real.
You acting, bro. You showed me some of your videos, bro.
Alright then, so what you talking about? I don't know, but it's Darren Niche.
Talking about D Hilarious.
D-Ray.
I do D-Ray. Yeah. We got the gun range, man.
Really is. That's bad right now.
Yes, sir.
Well, I should just want some house shoes. Mention my.
Man, I will take a picture.
For it.
Shit, you got the whole film. You tell the man take us a picture.
Oh yeah, we tell him to take our picture. Who phone better? Yours, man.
What you got?
Like 14? 13
yeah, man. I got 13 too.
You recording?
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't even know. I don't know what y'all talking about.
Feel me, gun range.
Y'all know.
Top song, yeah.
Yes, you guys. So, hey, thank you for watching. We finna go to the gun range, but we already here. And yeah, we finna see who shoot the best, you know what I'm saying?
It really is.
I'm scared. You go. After you, my lady.
Yeah. He's good.
It's wild. Don't mind. We finna shoot them. No, this shit louder than my pussy. This shit louder than when my ass clap. Y'all, my lashes. Oh my god. It's irritating. Fresh. Okay, they were ready now. They were ready. They were lock and load. Chill out now. Oh yeah. Chill out. Chill out. We're going. Oh, I gotta go right now?
I did 5, I go 10.
I'm nervous.
No, bro, you just shoot it.
It don't got no safety, bro.
They do, but no, he ain't no safety.
It was scary shooting. I ain't know if I did. It was scary shooting. Huh? Like, you know how I shot you before, right?
Yeah.
It's less than that. Like,
yeah, you ain't gonna feel it. Just shoot it one time.
Question. How do you hold it, bro? How you hold, like, how you hold it? I ain't never shot no.
You ain't never did a pistol?
I don't think I had big shit, like.
You put one hand on. I'm just saying. So you can't walk.
Yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is how you properly hold it. This is the clip, as you guys can see, the mag. Mag is in. Oh, don't shoot it, though. Because then she gonna pop back on. Well, so how you hold it? One hand. Okay. Right hand, left hand. Alright, bet. Alright, I'm good. Alright.
Hold on. Wait. Don't shoot. Wait. You put your ears in.
I'm nervous. Oh my god. Am I holding it right? Am I holding it right? How you can't even see where your ankle. Oh, hey, this be only had one. We have a technical deal. I don't know. Hold on.
You made the clip come out, bro.
Huh?
You made the clip come out, bro.
No, I did. You just did it.
You hold it.
Oh, okay, I got it. Let me do it. All right, I'm gonna do it. I could do it myself. I do. Y'all know sharpshooter, man. I got that good. Man, what the fuck? Oh, mine be not working. Oh. You gotta fix it.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, I ain't know that shit. Yeah. I don't know how to try to I think it's recording. Oh, let me back back.
Why don't you go on this side?
Okay. I don't want that thing to pop back on me.
Look here. Just don't let it ride up. Huh? Yeah, no. I really want to shoot it, but it's made to go look.
Okay.
You gotta load the next one.
You shot the lady.
You shot it.
You shot everywhere.
Good deal. That's why we don't let them shoot pistols without braces on and stuff like that.
Oh, Lord.
Are you gonna?
I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. I ain't never shot this.
I will take this off. I want to see the right. Huh?
Ain't blow.
Alright.
Hold tight. You're good.
Alright.
Video, one face.
Huh?
He said he want to see the video.
Alright. Scared to shoot, man.
Call them out.
Yeah, I can't do too much because I gotta keep my head back, but yeah.
Really
Chill out.
big, big chick, man.
Bitch, fit, y'all know. Yeah. What a fit from?
True, you see a lot of true.
How much for the fit?
Fit about $80.
What about the chain?
$5. Plus another $5.
Alright. Bands?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
Real
Oh
gold.
shit, this shit just blinded me. It just blinded me low key. Can't lie.
You shot AR before?
Nothing like this before.
Okay.
Let's
Same
do
way.
this for you guys.
Magazine goes in. That's your magazine release to drop it out.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I did.
That's the charger.
Oh yeah. Like that.
Just a fixed brace here. You got your sights and all. You just want to keep it down.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it.
I'm gonna step outside for a second.
Like
Yes.
that, yeah. So, yes, sir. Got my Christmas present. He just bought me. So, thanks to him. Oh, there's somebody in the Air Force right there.
Y'all gotta carry these around back too?
Huh? No, we carry rucksacks and stuff, the salt bags. We ain't got no bag like that. They have been orange.
Yeah, that's the unshells.
Empties?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, you guys.
If you have any problem, be sure everything is on the counter. Load it and unload it. Just take the bag and put it up under the counter down.
Okay.
Okay. Move your target again all the way.
To all 5. Okay.
And you go on number 5, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you good to go?
Okay.
Eyes and ears again, man.
Y'all know.
What's up here?
No, this I have mine.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. He got his. So, yes, you guys. We're finna enter Durham again. Smith & Wesson. Born in 1968.
We can't post it for real on Facebook. Gun range, bestie.
Yeah, I
Hit
know.
me on that shoot that switch.
Can't lie. Yo. Hey, what 5? Yeah. Gotta get the target back, you guys. So.
That's sweet. Wait.
I don't want to. I ain't want to be with a lot of people though. Like, what was that? Hold it. I just did all that. I just overwhelmed. This on the real, all the way down.
You had the thing. There it is. The thing right here.
Oh, I thought it was somebody else calling me, bro.
Oh no.
That's just you said it.
You go to the red line. Yeah.
See that far away. It's all good. It's all good. You want me to go first?
Oh, you can.
Hey guys, he unboxing his Christmas gift I got for him. Yes, he didn't know I was gonna get it for him. It was, you know, I know people that know people, so it didn't really cost much. You can put around some shit. He said 10 in there.
No, I thought it was around like 5 or 6.
Oh shit, I don't know. Guess he don't know about this shit. Smile if you like this. Hey y'all, I'm finna get off though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, move it, I got this. I think I got this. I forgot. I think I got this in the office. You know something? I can't even. I can't see what I'm for. It's all blurry. I should have my glasses on. There you go. Don't tell you know I shot one, then I stopped. I can't see, bro. Your camera will better. I ain't gonna lie. Your shit on light. Holloway. Alright. She keep calling.
Oh, you shoot like this?
Yeah, hold it in your arm. Yeah. Hold it like in your shoulder.
Put on, baby.
Hold on, for start over. Hold up.
I see the, oh.
Great.
That doesn't hurt. Ooh, stop.
It's some more in there? Let me go.
Let me see no 5 times.
Let me go. Let me go.
I don't know what that was. Pop my stuff. Yeah, go ahead, so.
For real. Oh, let me see that.
Hello.
I know you ready.
Hello. Alright.
How many should 5?
You got like 5 more minutes still.
Oh, alright. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna go. What you gonna do with it? That'd be fine.
Alright, that quick. I told you it's 4 left.
It is yours. You know this my phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Feel me, really.
Right there, baby. It's your baby. Yeah.
You want to do something?
It's on us.
One more?
You want more?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Sorry, don't like you hit for real.
Shit, I can't even see. I'm just shooting. Oh shit, so y'all. Let me pause it. That one.